Hello, year 8, it's Miss Holland. This is your assembly. It's about confidence and you. Obviously, you're going to be affected by this at the moment, I would say, because you're at home, you're learning, you haven't got the people that are usually around you every single day to be able to ask. So I think a lot of it will do, wonders for your confidence, and maybe not so much in some of the others of you, really. So this is about us just going through this PowerPoint and looking at the things that are going to make that confidence grow. All right. So what is confidence? Confidence means being able to say, I believe I can do this. That's challenging yourself to do things that maybe you don't always do. How to build your confidence. So that's actively seeking discomfort. So it's trying new things outside of your comfort zone. So look at what you normally do. Okay, so say you're doing some questions and you can answer those questions because you know the content. Yeah. Look at that harder one, that little bit more difficult question there, and try that. Having that growth mindset. Believe that the more you try, the better you will get. Again, that is absolutely true. If you try to be better, to try those more difficult things, when you get them right, you'll feel great. Okay, and that's where your confidence grows. As you can see, your comfort zone's in the middle. Anything outside of that will make your confidence grow. Okay, you need to remember when building confidence that nobody is perfect. And if it matters to you, have a plan and follow it. Find your team of supporters. They're the people that encourage you, challenge you to be the best that you can be. Don't be unsure to ask or find out, okay? Use those boxes, make sure you're asking questions to staff where you can use the email addresses that we've given you. We're all still here to support you. Replace negative self-talk with positive self-talk. Tell yourself you can do it, no matter how hard it is. Tell yourself that you can do it. Focus on the effort and not just the outcome, okay? Sometimes it's just really good to be proud of how much effort you've put into something. And then visualise getting to success, okay? If you visualise that and you can see where it is that you want to go, quite often that happens. Don't give up, even if things don't go to plan. That's where you need to have resilience, okay? That is where things aren't going right and you still power through. Celebrating every success. It doesn't matter how big the success is. Even if it was that one extra question that you attempted that was a little bit more difficult, that is a success. Make sure that you pat yourself on the back and say, well done. And then copy how successful people behave. So you need to look around you. Who's successful? Who do you admire? Okay, and then look at that behaviour, how they behave, and then try and do that for yourself. Confidence building challenges. So what would get you out of your comfort zone? Have a look at these things. Would that be to compliment yourself, try a new sport or a club, help somebody out if you're not used to doing those types of things, set a goal to improve a grade, work that little bit extra harder, really. Be organised for a day or a week, keep a success diary. You can make a new friend, volunteer or contribute to a discussion. There's myths about confidence, okay? And these are really important. Confident people don't feel fear. People are confident because they did something big. Confident people feel confident all of the time. Confident people don't get criticised. Confident people get it 100% right. And I will never be confident. Wow. Confident people do feel fear. They just don't give up. Every small success can help you feel more confident. Everyone has things they don't feel so confident about. Everyone gets criticised. Spot how it can help you and improve. Everybody makes mistakes. Spot how you can learn from them. Okay, that is where you look and you think, well, what could I have done better? And then you can be confident. Many successful people have developed their confidence, and so can you. And how will you build that confidence? Okay, think of at least one of these. What benefit will you get from feeling more confident? What are the everyday things that you can start doing to build your confidence? And think of an action that will take you out of your comfort zone. I challenge you this week to think of one of those things and pick something. All right? I hope you're all well, and I hope to see you all soon.